this is my first YouTube video. Lads are draining washing machine.
Oh! Fucking hell. How about we just drench this mat and stick it back in the cellar? It won't come out the slot. Oh, fuck, we've had a mare.
Basically, there's loads of stinking water all over the floor and it reeks.
We've had a mare. We've had an absolute mare. At least we're bedding strap.
Oh my god. Oh, look at it. Who does that watch out for his girl?
Fucking hell, hot point. Look at nail in there.
Oh my god, how much is coming out?
It's all over the floor.
Oh no, it's going to go under there. Quick, get some more cloths. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, it's coming to an end.
Tell you what, if I don't get paid for these YouTube videos. Right, and we're done. Except it's going under the fridge.
It's going out the door.
What are we like?